Hi, welcome to our success team. Our blog for today is about if your SOPs are slowing you down, here's how to fix them. If your SOPs are gathering dust in a shared drive or confusing new hires more than helping them, you're not alone. Most businesses create SOPs because someone told them they should, but without the right approach, they can actually slow you down instead of speeding things up. At Dual Success Team, we don't just document, we engineer the systems. Here's how to build SOP that get used, get results, and create freedom. Number 1, clarity beats length every time. The goal of an SOP is to help someone complete a task without asking you how to do it. If your SOP reads like a legal document or has a 27 steps for a 5-minute task, it won't get used. Instead, keep it short, use plain language, start with what's the goal or what's the purpose before listing the steps, add screenshots or videos when helpful, and as a note, we recommend a video platform that will allow you to keep the storage for as long as you need access to the video because some do not, so you have to choose carefully. Also, we recommend turning your video SOPs into visual checklists in a project or task management software's internal documentation system, such as DevStride, ClickUp, and Trello, so team members can check them off directly into the workflow. Number 2, build for real use, not for a binder. You're not creating SOPs for compliance. You're building them so your team can act independently and consistently. Then, you need to keep in mind these 3 reminders. They're stored where people actually works, like project management tools, CRM, and internal wiki. They're easy to update. And last, someone owns each SOP, not just you. This means that a person is accountable for maintaining and updating that document. Clients using tools like DevStride, Notion, or Google Drive folders see much better usage and success than those with 100 pages PDF stored on their computer or a binder on the shelf. Number 3, start with your time traps. Want to know where to begin? Look for the tasks that 1, can be delegated, meaning you could delegate them to the right person if you had the right instructions. Number 2, should be done regularly and consistently, but are performed inconsistently or sporadically. And number 3, require you to repeat instructions every or almost every time. Those tasks are perfect for SOP conversion. One WOWSuccessTeam client saved 5 hours per week just by documenting their email campaign review and approval process. Number 4, SOPs aren't just for admin tasks. SOPs are also used for onboarding new hires, responding to tech issues, escalating client problems, running meetings, creating and updating websites, hostings and blogs, marketing tasks, administrative tasks, HR tasks, tech development and updates, creating automations or workflows for new projects, and more. We build SOPs into CRM workflows like Pipedrive and Zootdash, and into website design and development and maintenance processes like Duda, WordPress, and other platforms so the team can run independently. We build our SOPs for our team into a DevStride project management platform as a checklist so our team never misses a beat. If you only use SOPs for low-key tasks, you're missing the big picture. And last but not the least, number 5, review and refine quarterly. Your SOPs should evolve with your business. If they're more than 6 months old, they're probably outdated, and the evolution should not be cumbersome or painful, or no one will want to be accountable for doing it. We recommend these 3 things: a quarterly audit against the actual process, a standard template for updates and new procedures, and a feedback loop from the team to improve them. With tools like ClickUp, DevStride, or even shared Google Sheets, it's easy to tag outdated SOPs, assign updates, and keep your systems current. So, in conclusion, well-built SOPs don't just save time, they create clarity, reduce rework, and give your team confidence. But only if they are simple, useful, and living inside your actual workflow. Want to see what great SOP look like? Download the SOP Fix Guide using the button below with examples, checklists, and an editable template to get yours out of the drawer and back into action. Thank you and see you again. Bye-bye.